Access Stories, presented by the Access VSA International Network. Access Stories is a series of personal stories from Access VSA International Network members. These stories were filmed in August 2025 at the Leadership Exchange in Arts and Disability LEAD Conference in Cleveland, Ohio.
My name is Celia Hughes, and I'm the Executive Director of ArtSpark Texas, and I am a middle-aged woman with gray and curly hair, with fake horn-rimmed glasses and a bright pink scarf. We had a small gallery at the time, and we were doing monthly exhibits, and I noticed that there was one particular veteran, a female veteran, who was showing in our shows, and so I took her aside and I said, "Do you think we should try to do an exhibit just for veterans?" And she was like, "Absolutely." So we got together a group of people, we talked about it, and we hosted our first art show by veterans. And we had two veterans from the Korean War drive from Del Rio to Austin, which is like a 6-hour drive, to come to the reception. And they were in their 80s at least, and then drive home. And that's when I thought, well, there's something to this. And we started to work with veterans. And we make sure that they're veteran specific, that they're just veterans. In the classes that we try to find veteran artist teachers. Veterans like to be in environments where everyone understands them, so they don't all they have to do is say the name of a city in Afghanistan, and nothing more needs to be said because everybody in the room knows what they're talking about. And I think it's really, really valuable work. And I've seen veterans, we do a project with the VA in Austin, and this particular project is for veterans who are really anxiety-ridden, who don't leave their homes, who don't even go to the VA for appointments, and so they now are doing these art classes at our space. This last round of classes that we had, which was 6 weeks, we had a man came for the first time. We had never seen him, and he came every time for the 6 weeks. He brought things from home to incorporate into the work that he was doing, and this was the first time that he had gotten out of his bed to go anywhere. And it was really because of the art. It really was because of we were accepting of who he was, no questions asked, and he could express himself in ways that he maybe had never known before.
Access Stories, presented by the Access VSA International Network. Director and editor, Cindy Brown. Videographer, Mary Fecto.